How to play Ludo in Messenger. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial we will see that can you play Ludo in Messenger with your friends. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the problem is that Facebook have removed the option to play Ludo with your friends in Messenger, but you can play with your friends in Facebook. So open the Facebook app and then here tap on these three lines or your profile picture in the top right side here, or if you are using iPhone you will see here the three lines. Tap on it and then here in the menu scroll down and here you will see gaming. If you don't see here you can tap on see more and find and tap on gaming, and then once you are in gaming wait for it to load, and then here you have to tap on the search icon here in the top right side and search for Ludo Club. And then here once you search for Ludo Club you will see this Ludo Club here. Then you have to here tap on play and then wait for it to load, and then once it's loaded you have to tap on play here in the bottom, play on Facebook, and then again wait for it to load. And now once it's loaded you will see here two options, play now or play with your friends. So if you tap on play now you will be able to play with random people, but if you want to play with your friends, and this tutorial is how to play with your friends, so we will tap on here friends, and then here you can select what type of mode you want, classic or rush. So we will tap on classic, and then here you can see all of your friends. I don't have much friends, I have only this friend, but if you have many friends you can here tap on search for friends, type their name, and then to play with them you just simply have to tap on play in the right side of their profile. So I have this friend, so I'm gonna tap on here play, and then here it says waiting, so you have to wait for your friend to join, and once your friends join the game will start. And so this is how you can play Ludo with your friends in Messenger or Facebook. Thanks for watching.